There are people who hate Mondays, and there are those who love them because they're happy with their jobs. So today, we're going to show you workers who do their job perfect. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell.
Good work that deserves respect. He seems to know very well what he's doing and has had a long time doing it. Take a good look at the bulldozer driver. Honestly, he has a lot of experience. This is how luxury watches are assembled with utmost precision. The leader should give this worker double his wages. Another worker whose work deserves recognition He seems to be a professional at his job. This is how luxury rings are crafted with such skill and creativity. This worker seems relaxed and enjoys his job well. Sometimes strength plays a significant role in our lives. It seems he spent a long time working like this. He seems to know very well what he's doing and has had a long time doing it. This is how shoes are sewn from the beginning. And this worker seems quite professional in his work. It looks like a well-executed job. As I said before, experience is the foundation of everything. They seem to be a great team and have trained a lot. He seems to be a skilled man with extensive experience. Sometimes you don't need anyone if you can do your job on your own. Good work that deserves respect. A skilled worker, and frankly, a relaxing clip. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment.